Right, this video is just for Talbot Owners Club members. I used to sell these ages ago. I'm going back a lot of years, and I thought I'll dig out the design and put my own in. I've actually bought these for myself, but I am going to start selling them on Talbot Owners store. Right, and it's nothing like the original at all. Nothing. I'll get a bit closer for you. That there is actually, it's supposed to be a Scotchman, a Scottish man, not a Scotsman. Right, yeah, the size is, you know, I can't remember, but they're big, aren't they? I think they're about 150 by 150 high. 500 maybe. Right, now thing is though, they're not a decal. All they are is a sticker with a clear, you know, like the other stickers that I did, the clear stickers. And I'm going to try and show you, just finding there. They will look like that. Clear, you know, like for the background of the van. To do the decals, it was just crazy money. These are going to be, I'll have to work out the price, but they're going to be around 13, 14 quid. It depends on the postage, you see. If I can get away with bending it slightly, and then I can send it as a large letter, you know what I mean? When they got these, they were bent a bit. Right, I'm going to put it up now and see what it looks like anyway on front. So I shall go and get my cleaning gear and start cleaning again. Looks alright. Looks smart actually. Yeah. Very nice. I don't know if you can see him go so far back. Cool. I like that. Oh, very nice. Right, yeah, if you like the design, I can do the same with different makes. I'll change the logo. You know, say it's, what's that other one? A common one. Blimey, I forgot. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Very nice. Yeah, so yeah, they're going to be going on stores. Highlander 2. Well, like I said, they're not going to be the decals unless you want to be paying like 38, 40 quid. Yeah, we've got like little dimples underneath, but I think it's on the paint. In fact it is, I can feel it. So that's alright. So there we are. You'll be able to see dimples anyway now, won't you? Yeah, I thought it was because I'd wiped it and not dried it, but no. Right, so that's it. So if anybody wants any, they're going to be available, but they're going to come direct from supplier. Because well, they just are. Like I say, I think they're going to be around £13.99 or something like that, 14 quid. That's for two. Like I say, it's highlighter. I can't think of the bloody name. Yeah, anyway, just have a look at, I'll put, well, everybody knows it's a club, don't they? www.talbotorcstore, one word, .co.uk, and they'll be on.